face.
Good afternoon, sir.
If I use my leg,
Please excuse me, sir.
No.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I'm looking for your junior sister.
Which of my junior sister?
Miracle.
Miracle. Yes. What is the problem?
Okay, I came to return her pants.
You said?
I came to return her pants.
You came to return her pant. Her pant.
Yes, I slept with your junior sister 2 days ago. Yes, I think on Friday. Yes, Friday.
You slept with her 2 days ago.
Yes. So at Magic.
Miracle.
Yes. So due to some circumstances,
Miracle.
I forgot you.
Come here. Do you know this man?
Baby.
Do you know this man? Do you know this man? I'm talking to you.
No.
You don't know him?
No.
Bring it. They brought back your pants. Is that not your pants? Look at it to and be sure if it's your pants.
Is yours? You forgot it. You forgot it that day. You said that your senior brother has anger issue. That he was calling you. You now hurry and forgot the part. But check this. I watched it too. I helped her to.
Come inside. Both of you can come inside. Come inside. Come inside. It's fine.
I can come in.
Yes, why not?
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir. You are a good man.
Thank you.
I'm really happy.
You said you are the one that has been sleeping with her.
Yeah, I've been sleeping with her since so.
Come inside.
But we are dating now.
You are the one that has been sleeping with her.
Sleep and date.
Sleep and date. Okay, go inside.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a pleasure to meet.
My pleasure is
family. Thank you very much, sir. No, one of these days we'll go sit down now.
Okay.
We'll look for a beer parlor and sit.
Okay.
Let's go inside. What? Are you scared of him?
Go inside.
No. He's always scared of you.
Go inside. It's a free word now.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
You will help me buy beer.